is Scarlett Freeman. I'm studying commercial music and composition at Anderson University, and I did the London internship in music, so it was super fun and super applicable to everything that I'm studying right now. London has always been a city that I have loved. I've sort of seen, for the longest time, I've seen London portrayed as this like fantasy, beautiful city in film and books and all sorts of things, and I thought it would fall short of my expectations when I visited it for the first time, but it really exceeded my expectations, and it felt like a whole different world from the world that I was used to living in. So I decided I had to come back, and I really wanted to live in London for a period of time just to be able to soak in the culture and get to know the people and the ways that they live their lives and the way that the music industry works in London. So this was the perfect opportunity for me to get to know the city and just the way that it works. I just loved how helpful everyone was, and how they were willing to, the intern group was willing to really make my dreams come true and help me to further my career, because that was a huge eye-opening sort of thing when I first applied for the intern group. I thought it would be difficult or impossible to get an internship in the music industry since it's more of a competitive industry, and I would think that the internship would want to know that I was qualified in a lot of ways, and while they did see my resume, I really feel like I wouldn't have been able to get the position that I got and the opportunities that I got without the help of the intern group. So I was a artist management and label assistant at the Animal Farm Music, which is a small recording studio, music label, and artist management group in London. And I did mostly marketing and social media campaigns for them, as well as discovering up-and-coming artists that they might want to get involved with. And then I did some discovering venues and getting in contact with venues that their artists might want to perform at, and gathering contacts of radio stations, playlists, blogs, who might be able to support their artists that they manage. So that was the bulk of my job, but I also got to get in the music studio a little bit and record some of my own music, which was super generous of my supervisors to let me do that and to sort of teach me how they go about recording and mixing and mastering their own music. So that was an amazing, just internship, amazing experience. I would tell them that it is most definitely worth it. It feels like a lot of steps and prep to get to the point where you can actually go to a different country to do an internship, but the experience and the people you meet and the skills that you acquire, and just, I think, growing in confidence and independence within like traveling by yourself, I think that is so worth any effort that you have to go through, and like raising funds maybe for your trip or applying for a visa, because that's a whole thing, and just all of the things that feel like difficult work end up being really worth it.